Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online from reading. It pays via PayPal or bank transfer. A fast and easy method to earn passive income. You can start producing money right away with these free websites that I'm about to share with you. And you can fit it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure not to miss any part of this video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. I'd like you to look at this before I show you how to accomplish it. This is the potential income from this website and I'm excited to share it with you because it will pay you a lot of money just for reading. As you can see, you can earn up to $249 in as little as 0 to 2 minutes for work. You can earn over $1,000 in just 30 minutes to 45 minutes of work. When you divide $1,000 by 45 minutes, you get about $22 every minute, which is a lot. Keep an eye on the screen until the end because I'll demonstrate how everything works. To avoid missing out on important information, make sure you don't skip any part of this video. I'd like you to pay close attention and listen intently before we begin. Many people fail to make money because they use the wrong strategy. As a result, I'd like you to pay attention and follow my directions in order to earn and possibly double your money. First and foremost, I want you to go to voices.com. Once there, this is what you'll see. As you can see, some of the most well-known companies in the world utilize the Voices, including Spotify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco Hulu, and many others. So this website is legit. They pay out every day and you'll get paid via PayPal, check, or bank transfer. There's no need to be anxious because there are alternative payment choices available. Basically, you will have a lot of different categories and tasks to choose from on this website. I will also advise you on which category to select in order to receive the most money. And you will have a selection of activities to choose from. Once you've chosen your favorite project, they'll email you a script or a template containing all of the words you'll be reading. All you have to do is record your voice and they'll pay you based on how long the job takes. It'll take you less than 2 minutes to finish, depending on the assignment. It could take as little as 15 minutes or as much as 45 minutes. This website appeals to me because it offers you an abundance of options. There are numerous genres to pick from and new job postings are created every day, so you will never be bored. If a project only takes 5 minutes of voiceover, you'll only need to devote less than 10 minutes per day to do it. That's all there is to it. You'll be successful. So if you're bored at home and have a lot of free time, you can do whatever you want here. Whether it's a brief voiceover or an hour-long voiceover. How am I going to accomplish this if I don't have a microphone? You might be wondering. You can use a microphone on your phone or your headphones with a microphone. This can be done using your iPhone or Android phone. You don't require a professional condenser mic, and you don't have to reveal your face or identify yourself in any way to use these devices to record your voice. They only need your voice for their projects. You won't have to write anything. All we'll have to do is talk and read a screenplay that will be given to you. So for the first step, sign up for Google and pick I want to work as a freelancer. Before continue, you must first agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. If you want to sign up quickly though, you can use the Google sign up method. As a result, once you've made an account, your dashboard will display a number of industries from which to choose from. This section includes animation for advertising, broadcasting, consumer brand, education, financial services, gaming, healthcare, nonprofit publication, technology, and video production. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money making strategies online. So I'll show you which category will provide us the most money and job opportunities, which is suitable for any newbie and operates in a range of countries across all genres, including the United States, India, Nigeria, the Philippines, Korea, Germany, Norway, and others. Education, advertising, and last but not the least, gaming are the most lucrative options. So I propose focusing your efforts in education, advertising, and gaming, as these are the top 3 industries with the most job openings and pay the most money for the least amount of time and effort. So if you chose education, you'll notice that Voices.com employs a diverse group of male and female voice actors who are paid every time someone hires them to record a voiceover. So I'm well aware that my viewers, you guys, come from all over the world and speak a wide range of languages. As you can see in the left-hand corner of the screen, I like to use the language choice. There are American, African, Arabic, Bulgarian, Filipino, French, and many other languages. So don't worry, there are plenty of options here, and you may do whatever you want while also earning money by reading scripts, those words, and depending on your working hours. So if you want to make more money, choose jobs that run longer than 45 minutes so that you can earn more than $1,000 whenever you finish a project. So once you've signed up and created an account, you can go to your open jobs and search for different jobs that are hiring right now online. As you can see, they pay a lot more than $200 and there are a lot of options. Let me just show you how many options are available to you by scrolling down below. As I already stated, these positions pay well. Now all you have to do is browse and do whatever you want, then try it out. Let me show you a sample blog script, which is one of the most lucrative categories on this site. As a result, they will offer us with sample scripts that you must read on this page. So you can see the client's name, the voice age they're looking for, the gender, and the job description right here. This is just an example to show you how it would appear if you were employed. So you can discover all of the information here and then check what category it belongs to, what industry it belongs to, what language style they want, what accent they want, and how many words they want. They have a 60-second, 30-second, and 15-second podcast intro script. This website also has an app that will be available on our mobile phones. So you can use it even if you're lying down or doing something else because it's available in your app shop or Play Store. All you have to do now is read the screenplay or whatever script they'll give you. You will be able to make money simply by reading. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online from reading. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.